Good everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tiles and Tales here. So if anybody watched the last episode where I was getting some instruction about riding on gravel roads from Mr T and Mr V, you'd have probably noticed that I couldn't get the handlebars high enough for me to be comfortable when standing on the bike. So what I did, I rotated the handlebars up and managed to get another 30mm raise, which was much more comfort when I was on the bike standing up, and it was much better. So when I got home after much pondering, I thought I couldn't stand that any longer because it was frankly ugly. So I thought I'd make some bar risers. So I've done that, and what we're going to do now, I'm going to push the bike out and we're going to fit those bar risers. I just bought some material from a local supplier and we got some new bolts from an industrial supplier in town, so it's all very easy to do. And anyway, I knocked them up at work on last Friday, and I'll fit them today. Beautiful Sunday morning, and it's just a job. I'll push the bike out and we'll do it. All right, I'll see you out there. By the way, I've got to get Tales the even younger to give me a hand with this. He's going to be the cinematographer today. All right, see you in a minute. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cover it up so as I don't scratch anything. You'll see I've put a tank bag on there now, so that came the other day. So all in preparation for the big trip, the big tour. Right, so I've made these bar risers. So I'm going to take these off and fit them and see how we get on with that. I'm going to cover this screen because apparently they're temperamental as it is. I don't want to tap it with anything steel. Right, I'll go and get the torque wrench. Alrighty then. Okay, these don't take much undoing. I think these are 26 Newton meters, I think, these. And I think you're supposed to nip them up and then tighten the front ones first. There must be some method in that madness. So, anyway, that's what I've done. When I tightened them up previous anyway. It's a beautiful morning out here on a Sunday morning. So I'll just spread my legs around the wheel and stop it from turning, and while Tales the even younger does the cameramanning. These aren't done that tight. Okay, last little process over. Right everybody, so this is the order it all came off in, so it'll have to go back on reverse order, so I think I'll just assemble it as it needs to go on and then tuck it over and just assemble it. Okay, so I clearly think these are vibration dampening gizmos, these rubber things. These go in here like that. Oh, what I should have said was, these are replacement bolts, obviously, because these are too short, and these are high tensile as well. And they've also provided me with a high tensile washer that goes on there to replace that that's already incorporated. these into here, that into there. These are the new handlebar risers, and we'll go over there and fit them up. Alrighty then. So as you can see on this part here, can we focus on this? There's a spot there, and that goes forward. Actually, what I'm going to do now is, I might move it to the forward position. I'm going to take these back. You'll have to excuse me if I'm a bit croaky. I don't know, I'm coming down with something. Anyway, we'll get this done. So I think all you do is you pull these out and turn them round. Like that. And I'll see if or what, if any, that difference that makes. Okay then, let's get the assemblage and pop it in. Alrighty then, here we are. Just start these bolts. And we'll go and get the torque wrench. Okay, here I am, looking for the extension bar, and I've found it, just where I left it. Okay, these are 35 Newton meters, I think. I'll just go and check. Yes, 35 Newton meters. Alright then, I might take it out of the torque wrench, just nip it up by hand. Okay, here we go. I reckon the new bar risers don't look too bad for a homemade job. Works pretty good like that. They don't mind me going in. I went on Friday afternoon when everybody had finished. There's just a couple of people there, and I just knocked them up on the lathe. I'll go around here. Material's not expensive. I got that from a local supplier as well. Okay, let's get the next one. So now we're going to put the handlebars on. Set it so this crosses at the top here, and it should be perfect. Okay, pop it on. Charles, the even younger, is ably assisting me. So I'm just going to nip these up and then finally adjust it. Have you got that, Charles the younger? So there's an order you have to tighten this clamp up. You have to tighten it up the front ones first. I'm not sure why, but I'll do what the book says. But we'll just have a look and see if it's lined up right at the front with a cross, and that's perfect. Yep. You might be able to get that Tales of the Younger, mightn't you? Can you see that little cross there? Okay, so we'll nip these up then. Just nip this up, there, and there. Then we'll torque this up, and I'll just go and check what the torque setting is. And these are 26 Newton meters. Molly, come on. Okay, so we're going to do the front ones first. Now the back ones. Do a bit of housekeeping and tidy up, and we'll see what that looks like. Okay, I'm just going to get rid of the protective sheets. Anybody who knows you knows I like to keep everything covered in sheets. I might show you this as well when I get this right. Okay. Look all right, don't they? What do we think? Let me know in the comments below if you think they're shonky or all right. I think they're all right. I could have spent a couple of $100 and bought some, I suppose, but righto, let's have a look and see what this looks like. Stood up. Glorious. Handlebars, the levers are fine. That's great. Righto everybody, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you at the test ride next time we go out, and we'll try them out properly. So, ta-ta for now.